In this presentation, we'll introduce SolidFacile. SolidFacile is an extensive and complete SolidWorks video training course, and it's the only one available in Italian. It's a wide educational library where every SolidWorks user, be it beginner or expert, can extract information for an optimal SolidWorks Commons use. SolidFacile allows each user to be self-sufficient and quickly learn how to be proficient in SolidWorks whilst working. It consists of over 1,700 videos of 3–4 minutes average time, where SolidWorks commands are explained in detail. SolidFacile is available in 3 versions: Standard, Professional and Premium. In this table, you can see the full video directory. For an in-depth analysis of SolidFacile content and feature, you can visit www.solidfacile.it, where you can find demos and access the online training, training.solidfacile.it. Now let's see how to access the SolidFacile's videos. On your right, you can find all the 1,750 videos currently available, divided into the following main contents: SolidWorks What's New, 182 videos; SolidWorks Standard, 955; Professional, 124; Premium, 453; Design Example, 30. If you expand What's New, you can see all SolidWorks updates from 2015 to 2019. Expanding What's New 2019 Commons Detail, you can find 1 video in Interface, 4 in Sketches, 5 important features, and so on. All the items are grayed out. To activate them, you need to click Login and enter your username and password. Let's have a look, for example, at What's New 2019. Assemblies, improvement in exported views. The selected videos appears immediately on the left, and you can play it to find all the related updates on this topic. Continuing, you can see that SolidFacile Standard contains 955 videos, SolidFacile Professional 124, SolidFacile Premium 453, relating to SolidWorks Simulation, Simulation Professional, Composer, Plastics, MBD, Inspection, DIM Expert and Tolerance Analysis, Animation. Selecting video is a simple task, and it's possible to switch from one video to another by clicking on the arrows located on the right and left side of the frame. Using a keyword, you can look up any topic, for instance mesh. In this box, you immediately find any related video. Or you can search by tag. In the next presentation, we talk about SolidFacile Task Pane add-in. The SolidWorks add-in is allowed to embed SolidFacile within SolidWorks Task Pane.